Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, guys. So as we have replaced the gold research on the weekend with the Japanese yen, so today we will take a look at the gold market, what happens here. So on the daily chart, guys, our view mostly the same. As I said last week and probably 2 weeks ago, so I would not even think about taking the long position on the gold market while I do not see clear bullish reversal pattern and ocean rinse of these lows. Because 13 even area, guys, it's very clear and important level for a gold market, and this is not just really typical for the gold market to leave untouched very important levels. So gold is a rule trying to grab the stops that have stands below these areas. And the fact that market starts upward action precisely at the LP target as it has been hit makes me think that probably gold market should return right back down. I don't want to say that this is definitely will be the bullish reversal pattern, but in one or other manner, but gold market probably will drop below 13 even. It will be either for grabbing stops and reverse up, or it will be just simple breakout to the downside. It's real breakout and market could proceed lower to 1285. And it's also possible. So in general, this corresponds to the price action that we are watching for on the euro currency. On the euro currency, we're also expecting getting some bullish reversal patterns. Probably will be deep retracement on the daily chart. Second moment is that take a look. This overall price action here definitely doesn't look like the reversal. So this is very choppy, long tail stance. It's definitely kind of the retracement. So ABC retracement now has happened. Market right now is turning down. On the 4-hour time frame chart, I even keep untouched the levels that we have made last week. Recall what we have talked about. This is large guarded steeple to sell pattern, and we said take a look. Is market turning up again here? This was the moment where we talked about the gold market last time. It probably will complete the ABCD, and this indeed has happened because that was very important area. As we said, 1320 is confidence, resistance, and agreement, and we said it's also what is even more important is take a look, guys. This is previous lows. In fact, this is the border between that consolidation and this consolidation, and we said if market will break it, it will open road right to the previous top. If not, it's probably the market will continue to move lower, and indeed that has happened. So that was the crucial point, as culmination point as I call it, where this was the moment for taking the short position. That's what we have said about the possible taking the short last time when we have talked about the gold market, because we have in place as guarded steeple to sell, bearish continuation pattern, as very strong resistance. Was a good combination for taking the short. Later, if you take a look at the hourly, later gold has confirmed this reversal by the nicely looking hand shoulders pattern. So that's the history that we have on the gold market. The reason why I think that market probably has the good chance to drop back to the 13 even is first of all because take a look, it has returned back inside of this consolidation, because previously it was also take a look at the support, resistance, become resistance, 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 breakout, support, support, support. Now it has been broken. So market returned back in this consolidation, and it means that it easily could drop back to the 13 even area. Besides, if you'll take a look at the hand shoulders, market has reached the OP target, so AB equals CD from the hand and the shoulder. Minor reaction is starting dropping further. Now it just stands at 13.11. This is the major 618 support here on the daily chart, but take a look that the XOP target stands at 13.08. In this case, if market will hit the XOP target, it's 1618 extension. This ultimate target for the hand shoulders. Usually it equals the distance between the head to the neckline and count down in the direction of the breakout. Right, it's very close. So it stands below the major 618 support, and in fact, the market will reach the XLP here. So no significant support there, support levels. It's relatively free space. So nothing will hold price for the further downward action to the 13 even. That's why, guys, in the current situation, I do not see really good steps for taking the long position here by far. Besides, take a look at this acceleration. This tail closing candles shows that the sell-off is really significant. Maybe if market will form minor bearish continuation pattern, you could think about taking short position. But currently, guys, on the hourly chart, I did not see any clear pattern except the hand shoulders. It already has been formed and it really stands very close to its target. So today's session, I think that market could reach 1308, or even if it will be sufficient time, it could really continue move lower. The one risk factor that exists is, of course, retail sales in the United States. So if they will be poor, probably market could take the pass and show some upward retracement, maybe precisely from this target, from this area, 1308. But this target should be met. And in general, overall situation on the gold market suggests that the chances on the dropping back to the 13 even right now is better than the pre-establishing of the upward bullish action.